questions of environmental science, environmental studies of module 4 and 5. First question, the pH value of the acid rain. The pH value of the acid rain is 5.7. Uh, the primary cause of the 5.7, the primary cause of the acid rain around the world is sulfur dioxide. Which of the following is the remedial measure for acid rain, reducing the release of oxides of nitrogen and sulfur into the atmosphere? Use of coal free from sulfur, use of electrostatic precipitator and catalytic converters, all of the above are the remedial measure for acid rain. Acid rain can be controlled by reducing the sulfur dioxide and nitric uh, dioxide emission. Atmospheric oxidations of carbon dioxide and carbon trioxide is influenced by the sunlight, humidity, presence of the carbohydrates, all of these. Reductions in brightness of the famous Taj Mahal is due to the air pollution. The effect of the acid rain reduces the soil fertility. The effects of the acid rain reduces soil fertility. The process of movement of nutrients from the soil by the acid rain is called as an leaching. Ozone layer is present in which uh, uh, layer ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ stratosphere. Which of the following statement about ozone is true? Ozone is a major constituent of photochemical smog. Ozone protects us from the harmful UV radiations of sun. Ozone is highly reactive. All of the above. A major compound responsible for the destructions of stratospheric ozone layer is CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Ozone layer thickness is measured using the Dobson unit. The normal average thickness of stratospheric ozone layer across the globe is 300 Dobson unit. The chlorofluorocarbons are non-toxic, non-carcinogenic, non-flammable, all of the above. Ozone layer absorbs ಏನನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ harmful UV rays. Which of the following is not an ill effect of the acid rain? Causes cataract. Which of the following is not an ill effect of the acid rain ಅಂದ್ರೆ results in the killing fish, leaches the nutrients ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Cataract causes the stone leprosy, it causes the cataract ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ cataract ಐಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದು causes the cataract. Formations of ozone layer is explained by Chapman's reaction. Each chlorine-free radical can destroy the following number is to 1 lakh ಫ್ರಿಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ CFC. Which of the following statement about ozone is true? Ozone is a major constant of the photochemical smog. Ozone is the highly reactive. Ozone protect us from the harmful UV radiations of sun. All of the above. Ozone depletion causes the snow blindness. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈಫ್. Which of the following is the purpose of the animal husbandry ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ productions of meat? Animal husbandry, conservation of the forest, conservation of the wildlife ಎಲ್ಲ. Domesticated animals are used for dairy products, productions of the meat, and productions of the fiber, all of the above. Acid rain has been increasing day by day due to industrializations. This is one of the important question. Ozone hole was first discovered in Antarctica. CFC have been used as solvent, blowing agents of the polymer forms, refrigerants, all of the above. World Ozone Day ಯಾವಾಗ September 16th. A Bhopal gas tragedy caused due to a leakage of methyl isocyanate. Animal husbandry results in global warming. Next, Environmental Act was enacted in Environmental Protections Act, which was enacted in 1986. The air pollutions, noise pollutions, all are 1981. Water Act 1974, a Wildlife Protections Act which was in 1972, Protections Act, the Forest Act 1980, the first of the major Environmental Protections Act to be promulgated in India was the Wildlife Protections Act. The Central Pollution Control Board was established under the provisions of a Water Act in 1974. Karnataka State Pollution Control Board was established in the year 1974. Environmental protection is the responsibility of Government of India, NGOs and individual. Also, environmental protections ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ protections it is responsible for all of them. Earth Day is observed on April 22nd, which is the following is NGO ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನರ್ಮದಾ ಬಚಾವ್ ಆಂದೋಲನ್. Which of the following is empowered to take a measures to protect and improve environment as per the Environment Act, central government? And authority, which of the following is the authority to monitor the industrial effluents, state pollutions control board? The leader of the Chipko movement is Sundarlal Bahuguna. The Environmental Act in 1986 deals with water, air, soil, all of the above. All the objectives of the Wildlife Act in 1972 to prevent the biodiversity to preserve the biodiversity, to maintain essential ecological and life supporting system protections and conservations of the wildlife. All the Trigger Conservations Project was started in 1973. Next, the goal of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to conservations of wildlife. Environmental education is targeted to a general public, technicians and scientists, professional social groups, all. Which of the following animals is endangered species of India is a black buck, which is the endangered species of India. Which state having the highest women literacy rate in India? Kerala. An international conference on environmental education was held in December 1982 in New Delhi. Environmental protections in the fundamental duties of the citizen of India under the Article 51 AG. The objectives of the integrated child development services are immunizations, health check-up and referral services, preschool and non-formal educations, all of the above. The ISO 104,000 standards deals with the environmental management system. ISO 14000 standards, 14,000 standards deals with the environmental management. A World Summit on Sustainable Development was held at Gio de um, Janeiro in 1992. An important NGO involved in a global environmental protection is Greenpeace. The first International Earth Summit, ಸೇಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸಸ್ಟೈನಬಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಯೋ ಡಿ ಜೆನೆರಿಯೋ. A Silent Valley movement a succeed in a cancellation the state government hydel project and saving the lion-tailed monkeys. The committee which submitted its report to Government of India on environmental education is Tiwari Committee or Tiwari Committee.